This is literally a glueless wig. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, please do not hesitate to subscribe to me. In today's video, I'll be doing a hair review by Luvme Hair. They sent me a wig. I haven't even opened it yet. I wanted to open it on camera for you guys so you can see the full effect, how it came straight out the box without me even touching it. So let's get right into it.
Luvme Hair sent me this beautiful wig. It is a 20-inch deep wave 13x4 lace. They always make sure to send me a couple of goodies. They sent me a wig cap just in case I might need it, and a few other goodies. They sent me a silk head tie. They also sent me a little mirror and a edge brush. They also make sure to include information on how to take care of the hair and any frequently asked questions. Any important information will be in there. Now on to the hair. As you can see, the curls are super shiny and super defined. This hair had no tangles. They were extremely soft and super defined, and as you can see, when I wet the hair, it got 10 times better. I just want to remind you guys that this is a glueless unit, but as you can see, the lace melts with my hand perfectly. It went great with my skin, and I already knew that it was going to give scalp. The wig comes with 4 combs on the inside to ensure that this wig is secure for you. It comes with an elastic band as well, so you know, girl, that wig will not move. To show you guys these curls a little bit better, I'm just going in with my spray bottle and a little bit of silicone mix. I want you guys to see these curls up close and personal. There was no tangles at all. The brush just slides straight through the hair and just makes the curls more defined. Do you see the way the curls jump back up? Now I'm going in with a little bit of Shea Moisture stretching pudding.
I already have my bald cap on. I'm going in with this beauty supply store makeup. Put a little bit of this on. So to put the wig on, I like my wigs to be extra snug. So I'm gonna go in and take these 2 clips on the side and then hook them together. And then I'm gonna hold these 2 bands together. So you're gonna take it by the 2 straps, and see how I got this little bump in the back of my head? I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it right behind there, like this. I'm gonna pull the back down and then use this clip and hook it right behind, like that. Flip my head over, and then I'm gonna go in and clip the sides in. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clip the other side. So I'm gonna start by just brushing all of my hair, going backwards. You're all I need, personality, everything you do makes me love. And you can already see that it is definitely given. Look at the curls, look at that. Do y'all see me? And this wig ain't falling off. It feels so snug and tight on my head. Look at these curls though. That's, oof, okay. So let's go ahead and cut the lace now. I'm gonna start on this side. And you don't wanna cut too much. I'm just gonna go to where my ear is. And then as soon as I can pull my ear out, I know that that is the perfect amount. Like that. Pull your ears out. So now for the rest of the lace, I usually cut mine in sections. So I'm gonna start from here.
After cutting the lace, it immediately melted into my skin with no issues at all.
As you can see, this is definitely a glueless unit. Just in case you were wondering, definitely glueless. And then you're just gonna wanna push it kind of into your skin. And then boom. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell? Is it given? Guys, I just want to show you guys again. This is definitely glueless. I can lift it. I can put the comb under it. And then all you have to do is tap it to make it lay again. I'm just going to go ahead and pluck it a little bit. Now what? That is scalp, y'all. What? Look. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this. I'm feeling this all the way, and it's not even, I didn't even get to wet it yet. And I feel like I should do some edges over here as well. Take it and curl them.
I use this little flat iron for my edges just to ensure that it lays better. I'm going to also use the Got To Be glue spray so it stays down for the whole day. Doing my edges takes me a couple of tries and fighting with them, but eventually they come through. The hair absolutely did look great, but I was going for the kind of no part look, but I really wasn't feeling it, so I ended up changing it towards the end to a middle part, and I felt like that fit me way better.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, die they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
I do think the middle part fit me way better. Like, I literally love this for me. I ended up having to fix the edges, and then I decided to just put one on the other side.
Niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
This look is a perfect summer look if you're on vacation, if you have to go in the pool. You don't have to worry about any flat iron because this can get wet, baby. And once you get it wet, the curls will be popping. And y'all, you can take it off whenever you want. This is literally a glueless wig. I cannot make this up. Look y'all, look, I'm all up underneath this wig. Do y'all see that? This is a perfect glueless throw on and go wig, and it's a bomb summer wig. I'm be outside all summer with this, like, hello. And this hair has so much volume, it's so thick. Okay, that is it for this video. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.